Hi, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we need to set a default user right here. So when we, let's say for example, we see this specific post, we display the default user right here. All right. So we could do this many different ways. A very easy way of doing this would be to go to the edit underscore post, of course, and grab the echo. All right, and just put it right here. Put a PHP tag and echo it there. Save. Come back here. Actually, what am I doing? All right, it's not displaying that. We need to echo it. We need to find the user from somewhere else. That username will display everything from categories. Username. If post update. No, we got it selected from this guy right here. Post user. There we go. All right. So it is available in this while loop right there. We got to come here and echo it out right here. Post user. All right. Save. Enter. Now we see that it is selected there. So now let's say for example we change this to Pete. All right, this is the easy way of doing that. Now we could actually make it many different ways. You see right now it says Pete, and we go here, it says Pete also. All right, so that's the easy way of doing that. All right, if you are interested in some other ways, let me know and I will make that lecture. All right, so now what's next? Well, you got to go to your home site, your front page here, and you can notice that we are actually displaying here the username, well, the author name in this case. All right, this has on all posts. So if I go to my last page right here, you can see that I'm displaying nothing right here and nothing right here, and that's the only one that I got. The reason why I'm not displaying anything, because it's not detecting the user. It's not pulling out the user, it's pulling out the author only. All right, so we need to update that so that way it displays the users. Very simple actually. If you go to your index and right here, all right, you can see that we're pulling out the post author. Instead of pulling out the post author, you pull out the post user. Save. And you can leave this like this if you like, so that way you don't have to go crazy on updating everything here on this page. All right, so make sure that everywhere you need you're pulling out information from the database, you update this post user. I'm gonna leave the same variable so that way I don't go crazy changing all this. So if I come here and I say I refresh, now everything here, all right, is gonna be empty except the user. If I click on it, all right, that user is, we're not gonna see anything here. The reason is because it doesn't find it, right? So we need to go to that author post. I'll show you right now. And instead of saying post author, we say post user. Save. And here, post user, save. Come back here, refresh, and now you got that by that user. You got everything by that user. Beautiful, right? That's just doing minimal work. You can go ahead and if you want yourself, you can change all the variables and everything that says post author for post user if it makes more sense to you. I'm showing you a different way of, with minimal effort to do it. All right. So I'm going to be deleting a lot of my posts here since they are made by post authors, right? And we have users now making that. All right. So we don't have to worry about that. All right, we got comments here. I'm gonna be making some new lectures also, upgrading our CMS and making it more advanced. So keep tuned for that. Thank you so much for allowing me to teach you this course. If you have not given me a review and that you think this course is awesome, please take 1 minute. It really helps me a lot, and it keeps me motivated to make more lectures for you guys. All right. This is what I see in the morning when I wake up. If I see a good review, it gets me motivated. If I see a good message, thumbs up, or maybe something on Facebook, make sure that you are subscribed to the Facebook group for this course, which is really awesome because I answer a lot faster than what I'm answering right now if you post something on the Udemy or anywhere you are, a platform. All right, since the platform sometimes lacks on sending me notifications, so that's why I could take hours. But if you post it on Facebook or send me an email, I can answer you really fast. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lectures.